Hello, my YouTube family, and today is indeed a wonderful day to show you beautiful things. I want to show you this amazing 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex right here in Chevron, Lekki, Lagos. Now, this property comes with a swimming pool, a fully fitted kitchen, a study, a gym. In fact, it's awesome. So come with me. Let me take you on this house tour. But before I do that, if you're coming across this video for the very first time, you know how we do it now. You have to share this video, drop a comment, like, subscribe to this video, and you never can tell. You can be helping someone that is in need of this lovely property to do so. So join me, and you know how to do it. I'm going to flip the camera and show you the interior of this property. And I want you to decide if this is the property for you. Let's go. Okay, so good day once again. Welcome to my channel. Today we are authoring this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex right here in Chevron. Right here we have the semi-detached and also a fully detached, but this is the fully detached. I'm going to attach the video of semi-detached later. So if you're new to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe, share this video with a loved one, and drop a comment what you think about this property. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you the environment of this lovely estate. Now, this is the entrance. You know, it's just a few minutes drive to the Lekki Expressway. So this is our focus for the day. So let's go in. Okay. So you have an ample parking space right here. You have a carport, and this property comes with a swimming pool. This is the swimming pool over there. Okay. So this is our carport. You can park 2 cars right here, or 3 cars. This can take 3 cars. You know, 2 SUV and 1 small car. So let me show you the swimming pool area. So this is our swimming pool area. This is our swimming pool. Okay, so let's go into the house proper to see the interior. We have these lovely flower pots over here. So, okay, so the door is a smart door that comes with a smart lock. Comes with a fingerprint, a video camera. It's a smart door. So either you want to use your key or use your key guard. So this is the screen. You can monitor who's outside your door. Okay, so this is the living area. This is the living area. It's a beautiful chandelier. Lovely. We have another one right here. And all the rooms, everything comes with a AC unit. It's attached to the building. Comes with the AC unit. So this is our lovely TV console. You know, we have a window right here to give light, to let in natural light. And we also have one here. So the place is well lit. Okay, so this is our visitors toilet. Okay. It's a 5-bedroom, so this is one of the guest room. We have 2 rooms downstairs, 2 guest room downstairs, and all rooms are all en suite. So as you can see, it comes with an AC unit, all rooms. So let me go over to the second room downstairs. This one is kind of like a boys' quarter. The way it's been designed, it has its own door that leads to outside the compound. So this is kind of like a boys' quarter. So, but it has a door inside, and also have door that lead outside. So let me go over to the kitchen. Comes with this beautiful LED light. Okay, so this is our kitchen. Comes with an AC unit, lovely chandelier, kitchen island. This is a cabinet, lots of cabinets. Comes with a washing machine, a double sink, heat extractor, burner, an oven, a microwave, and a double door refrigerator. Double door refrigerator. So these are cabinets. These are lots and lots of cabinets. This is a pantry. So this is the door that leads to outside compound. So let's go upstairs. You notice it has a motion sensor light at the staircase. So once you are just close to the staircase, it lit up. So this is a floor to ceiling window to give ventilation and lighting. Comes with an AC unit installed in it. Okay, so it's still motion sensor. Just like I wasted time down, that was why it switched off. So I climbed, it came on. So this is our gym. Comes with an AC unit. So the gym is lighting. The gym to get fit. These are the windows to give you ventilation and lighting. So let me go to one of the rooms. This is room 1, AC unit. And all rooms are en suite. Shower cubicle, toilet, water heater. To the second room. So this is the second room. Also comes with an AC unit. You know, has a window for your lighting, and there's another window here to give you a cross ventilation. So with this window, you can see the front view of your compound. Yeah. So this is the bathroom, the shower cubicle. Comes with a water heater as well. So before I go to the master's bedroom, remember I told you it has a study. So let me show you the study. Ta-da! This is your study. And it also comes with a kitchenette. You know. So these are your bookshelf. You can put your bookshelf or your awards right here. This is your window and your kitchenette. It has a cabinet above your kitchenette. So it has an access to the balcony, your flower pots there. Okay, so let's head over to the master's bed. It's a 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex. And the title on this property, it's a global C of O, the governor's consent, and it has a building approval. So this is the master's bed. Comes with an AC unit, a TV console. You have an access to your balcony. It has this sliding door. Have an access to your balcony too. And the rooms comes fully, it's all in suite. So this is our wardrobe. The wardrobe. So let's go to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom for bathtub, shower, cubicle, water heater. Okay. So if you this house, I really want for you to drop a comment what you think about this house. Is this something you're looking for? Is this something you've been in the market looking for? Is this something that you would love to own? Because I, I love the aesthetic of the house. So call the number showing on your screen and let's get started. This home could be yours. Remember, the price is 298 million naira. So this is what 298 million naira gets you in Chevron, Lekki, Lagos. So thank you for watching this video. Until I come your way next time, thank you and God bless.